We'll guide you through how to access a USB flash drive on a MacBook or iMac. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps somebody's gone and given you one, or you've got one from work, or it's your own, and you want to go and start accessing the files on there, perhaps moving files from it onto your Mac or from your Mac onto it. We're going to guide you through how this can be done. Make sure there's full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go miss an important part of this. So without any further ado, let's go and get started. So first of all, you want to just go and plug it into one of the ports on your Mac. Depending upon the USB, you may need to go and get an adapter. For example, because I've just got a traditional USB, I then have a USB-C adapter just to go and plug it in. So after you've gone and connected it, you'll be wondering, where is it going to go and appear? Well, what we need to do is go and enable a setting to go and find it. So what you need to do is go and open up Finder at the bottom of your Mac. It'll usually be in the bottom left, and you can click on it and this appears. Now what you need to do is head to the top left of your Mac to where it says Finder, and you can click there, and you need to go and press Settings. Then where it says show these items on the desktop, you can actually go and select external disks. That should then go and get it appearing. And then what you can also do is you can go and then press sidebar at the top, and you can come down and find the option for external disks as well and select that there. So it should now be appearing on your desktop. And if we scroll down on the left into locations, we should be able to go and see it. So this is just called new volume. Yours may go and have a different name, and there it is. You can see you've got multiple things in the list here, but you should usually be able to identify it because it will have an eject. So you can then go and click on it, and we're going to be able to go and see what's currently on here. So I've got a load of mix of files, yours can be different. And so if you want to go and move something from it, what you can do is you can click, hold and drag. And as you can see, it's now going onto the desktop, as you can see. If you want to move something onto it, we could click, hold and then drag it on like so, and it'll then be there. Just go and wait for it to go and complete. Now, sometimes you may find yourself in the situation of where you're unable to do that. Perhaps you're able to go and move files from it or read them, but you can't go and put files on it. And this is due to the formatting. So if you're finding yourself in that situation, what you need to do is you want to go and press search in the top right, and you can go and type in disk utility, and you can go and open it up and come into external, and you can then go and select the new volume, and you'll need to go and press erase in the top right. And if it's set to a format like NTFS, which is made for Windows, Mac doesn't fully work with that. So I recommend formatting it to exFAT. Now, just before you do that, you are going to lose the data on it. So what I recommend you do is you could come onto here, press Command and A to select everything. And you can then go make a folder on your desktop, and you can then drag them all into it like so, just to go and do a backup of it just before doing the reset. And then you've gone and have backed them all up. You can then press erase and select exFAT and press erase, it will complete. And then you can put them back onto it. And you'll be able to go and read and write files once it's in the correct format.